Welcome! I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to access the Mitcham Girls Careers website to complete your interests quiz, your skills quiz, and your work values quiz, and perhaps even a few other activities as well. So once you've logged in to your profile, you want to click on the dashboard button and it will take you here. There's a range of different portals that you can explore the activities, but for these 3 quizzes, the section you want to be looking at is this one down here where it says Career Journeys, and there's a range of different icons that you can work through. Particularly this first one, Learn About Myself. We did a bit of reflection at the beginning of the year around interests and skills and personal qualities, and this is just an add-on activity from that. So you can start your journey, or you can click on View Activities and it'll show you the journey that you'll go through. They're not too time consuming, but they give you some really cool data that you can include in your careers investigation. So there's one on my interests, one on skills, and one on work values. So once you complete your quiz, you're going to want to include your data in your careers investigation, pop your reflections in this section, and anything that surprised you, or anything that might influence your career investigation around skills or work values. If you're not quite sure what work values are, this could be quite interesting. So give all of that a go. There are some other things you can explore that aren't required, but it could be really interesting to add to your investigation. Good luck.